Welcome to my LeetCode problem solving journey, day 3. So today we are going to solve the problem number 1108, that is defanging an IP address. First of all, let us understand what the word defanging means. So basically, defanging is a cyber security term that means that we have to change something or alter something in a way such that it cannot be clickable but it is recognizable. Okay, so let us proceed towards the problem statement. So the problem statement is: given a valid IP address, return a defanged version of that IP address. A defanged IP address replaces every period with bracket and period. Okay, so this is the easy problem. There is nothing much difficult in this. Just we will be provided an IP address, and instead of a period we have to add the period in the just in the square brackets, as we can see in the example 1, that is we have been provided input as address equals to 1.1.1.1, and the output is 1, then square bracket, then period is there, then again 1, then square bracket, again period is there. So it's easy. So first of all, let us discuss the approach for it. So the approach for this solve problem will be that we will first of all take the empty string. After that we will travel to each character of the address using for loop. Then if we find the period, then we will replace the period with the square bracket period inside the square bracket. And if there is no period, then we will just add that particular character to the new string we will be creating. Okay, so let's start the solution. So first of all, we will make the string name resultant, which will be empty. Then we will start one for loop which will travel to each character of the address. Then after we will check the if condition. If ch equals dot, then we will just concatenate it with square brackets and period. Okay, so here if character is equals to the period of the address string, then we will just remove that single period, and instead of that, in the new string we will concatenate the square bracket and period inside it. Okay, then after else condition, else if period is not there, then we will just concatenate the character itself only, and after that at the end we will return the resultant string. Let us run and check whether it is working or not. Okay, so that is working for our two cases. Let us check whether it is working further for all other cases. Not. Okay, that's perfect. It is working for all the cases. Okay, so let us also discuss the time and space complexity. So the time complexity for this will be order of n, as we are using a single for loop, and the space complexity will be order of n because we are using a string, and the string size has not been fixed, so it can increase, it can decrease, it is dynamic. So the space complexity will also be order of n, and this is the optimized solution only. There is no much optimization needed for this solution because we are checking each character and replacing each character, and we can't reduce space complexity as we are changing the character period with the square bracket and period, which will already increasing the space complexity, so we can't optimize it further. Thank you for watching this solution. If you like, then please share and subscribe the video. And if you have any kind of doubt in this solution, then please comment it. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you.